it. Ever since you joined COA, what was the best thing? Some people say it was the accountability, the online program, because it's so easy. It's a follow-through step. Others, the support, the understanding of the ads, how to run an ads, you access unlimited clients, the sales training. There is so much. What would you say was your favorite?
Ooh, it's difficult to choose, to be honest. I think it's lots of it. I think everything you mentioned it's really good. But I think my favorite probably is the support. Yeah, the support in the Facebook group, the support in the clinics. I think I really appreciate to have you guys, to ask questions and to coach us. So I think I really enjoyed that part.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And what would you say was your biggest win since you joined?
My biggest win. Well, I think the fact that the shift of mindset that I had since I joined COA has been amazing, and I didn't actually mention this in the group because I didn't count it as a sale, but I came to COA broken. Basically, I just had to for paying my first month, and just joining really pushed me to look for ways. So I went and asked around family, friends, and I found someone who helped me to pay the remaining of my fees. So I was 3,000. I think that's, in a way, one of my biggest wins, to be able to, to stay in COA for, for the remaining time. And and look for, for solutions, basically, for solutions to continue. So I think that's a big win.
Amazing. Congrats.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's resourcefulness. It's making it happen no matter what. You made a decision and you went all in. I totally love that. And what would you say, Sebastian, that was from making your first sale? What was the best thing about it?
The best thing about the first sale. Well, I think it's that, that breakthrough to feel like, it's my first sale, and to start believing in yourself more, because it's like up to that point, you're like, is this gonna work? Is this gonna work? I mean, I knew it was gonna work, but there is like this voice in the background sometimes saying, what if it doesn't work? What if you are the only one who doesn't make a sale, But then it happened, and I felt like, yeah, this can actually happen.
Amazing. Well done.
Yeah.
How did you feel the moment she said yes and you took the deposit, you took the cash? How did that feel like?
It was great, but I don't know if I mentioned to you or if you saw in the group, but I had this issue with my first client that she backed up, because she had some issues at home with her husband. So she sent me a letter where her husband was like moved from country, so they had to leave, and she basically said, that she had to wait a little bit more to embark in the program. So she kind of backed up. But still, when she made a deposit, the day she made the deposit, I mean, I was super happy. I was like, I was extremely happy. It started moving me forward more than that already moved me. So, making preparations, sending emails. It's like you start believing that, yeah, I'm a business owner, like Ed says in COA. So yeah, it was great.
Amazing. Congrats. And look, the reality is every time you make a sale, you get better, more confident, and you're moving yourself further forward, right? So you're hitting new levels. It doesn't matter ultimately what happens with this initial clients. If they pull back, they go ahead, they say yes, they go around, because you're laying the fundamentals. So with every single sale, you get stronger and better. With every single step forward you're taking and getting better clients that are coming through, more committed, right? So you're getting stronger, they're getting stronger, you're getting stronger, they're getting stronger. So the whole thing gets better and better over time. Okay.
100%.
Awesome. So let's switch it up. What would you say are